I think this project has the potential to change the world.
We will fundamentally change the manufacturing world as a whole.
We cannot continue like this. We need to deliver the circular economy, and this is one of the vehicles to establish that.
The I Am Tomorrow Challenge is there to create speed and adoption of additive manufacturing. During this 4-month challenge, the objective is at the end of November at Forum Next to demonstrate to customers what the digital platform can bring them in value. One company will not make a change, so we have to work together. We do that with startups, which are identified during selection process. So we started with 74. We invited 24 selection days, and from the 20 we selected startups, which are in this process. Secondly, we invited 2 of our partners. And last but not least, of course important, the client, Royal Haskoning DHV. Today it's very difficult to predict how additive manufacture can help their business. With this platform we want to reduce that barrier.
Digital platform is a critical element for how additive manufacture will spread. Our mission is essentially be that agent in the world to spread additive into manufacturing.
It will be less transport, less waste, and not having a lot of spare parts lying around.
It's really blending together performance, cost and sustainability in one go.
It's about societal impact. We cannot continue like this. We need to deliver the circular economy, and this is one of the vehicles to establish that.
And I believe that additive manufacturing can really make a difference.
This has a potential of saving 51% of waste by not producing what will fail, but only produce what is right. So if you can facilitate that by simulation, it's already a huge impact.
I think this project has the potential to change the world if it makes it easy to convert every design engineer to the right sustainable choice to make.
The main challenge of the platform is how we make sure we bring all the data together. Additive manufacturing is quite new. I mean, there's not a lot of data available. Making one part is easy, but if you have to produce 1 million parts, that's a challenge.
That's a tool chain that needs multiple parties coming from different ends of the ecosystem coming together.
Bring together material expertise, manufacturing expertise, and design and engineering expertise.
Collaboration is superior to keeping everything appropriate.
Today we had the final demo by all the startups in the I Am Tomorrow Challenge, presented to end customers, explaining what we did over the last 3 months.
To show that this actually works.
Showing the potential for real sustainability, but performance improvements.
We want multiple different companies buy into this concept and partner with us.
I think it's really inspiring how in this short time all the different companies contributed to this event and really came up with a workable workflow.
I definitely see the potential in the platform. The direction so far is that they liked it. They understand that there's still work in progress. And I see that they want to contribute into improve this platform from their aspect because they could benefit from it. Yeah, a piece of the dream has been fulfilled. It's not, the dream is not totally realized yet, but I think it's a good step in the right direction.